Hi guys, it's Keith with Varkenberg Farms, and I'm going to show you one of the most important things to do when you're farming full time. I'll show you here just in a little bit. And that secret is going on vacation. We got my son, his buddy, and my wife over here, and we're heading down to Kansas City for the weekend. I'll keep you posted. Thank y'all. Alright, we've arrived at our destination now. We're at the Adams Mark Hotel in Kansas City, Missouri, right across from Royal Stadium, which is right across, it looks like 670 over there. Looks like it was a great hotel about 30 years ago, but it's got a water park in it. We'll be heading over there tomorrow. Catch you here when we get to our next destination. Alright, we're in front of Royal Stadium right now. We're getting ready to go inside. Alright, we made it to the field. Let me turn this around real quick and show you a view. Here's a view of the field, starting with the family. We're going to move around. Now we're getting ready to enjoy the game. See y'all tomorrow. Alright, go ahead, jump. Well, we went into Cocoa Keys for a little while. It's kind of a bummer. They got a couple good indoor water slides, but it's 90 degrees outside and they have an outdoor pool here. So instead, we're out here in the outdoor pool. Let me turn you around. Here's the pool. There's my son. Say hi.
Go check out my video of this, link in the description.
Yeah, I won't link it, but fun pool.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you later. Well, that was a nice relaxing weekend away from the farm. Left on Saturday after the market, are back on Monday. Been around and checked everything. All the automation I've got going is working great. Everything's still alive. So I'm going to take the rest of the day off and I'll get with it and start harvesting tomorrow. Hope you guys like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.